Now, everyone make a run for she's about to sneeze! Run! Yeah. Hi. Sorry, guys. What the heck just happened? Because I really don't know. I don't know anything. But what the heck happened? And like, why is she sneezing and fire came? Aiden, you know I have super sneezes. No, I don't. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I never knew that. Sorry. Hello. I'm your best friend. What do you want? Haven't you seen me up? Do it again. Okay. You haven't seen me in a long time. It's me, Jacob. Oh, hi, Jacob. Oh, hi. I haven't seen you in a long time. I know. Wait. I haven't seen you in a long time. So, like, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, wow. That's... I have super sneezes, and whenever I sneeze, fire comes. Oh, well, like, that's crazy that you have super sneezes. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. I'm like, it's getting late. Bye, guy. Oh, whoa, bye. I have a bad feeling about him. Oh, it's fine. You know, check knocking. Guy will come. You got one knocking from the man that they saw. What's that noise? I'll go check. Plus, I forgot something. I'm not asleep. I'm trying to go see. Hey. This will be over. I'll end you. And you can't. No, I should have saved her. Why didn't I do that? I'm so stupid. Mom, sister my sis got kidnapped. She got kidnapped. Her friend is not real. He's evil. He kidnapped her. He took her in his van. He's not who she thinks he is. Please wake up. What? Yeah, kidnapped by her friend, which is not her friend. He kidnapped her. We gotta go now. Once I reach him, he will be so dead. Car. She literally got kidnapped. And just laughing. I kidnap you. I'm not your friend. Time to use your sneezing powers to burn buildings down. And we'll start off with your family's house. What? No! Help me! I'm trapped! I'm free! Leaves. Oh my god, I'm free. I'm so happy. The end.